Hi everybody, welcome to lesson 4 of our robot algorithms unit, and this week we're looking at maths and roots. So far you've used maths that we've given to you, so whether it was a worksheet or using the Bbot online tool, they were all maps that you could actually use straight off. And today you're going to have a go at making your own, and these could include things like buildings, animals, people, cars, anything you would like to do. So you need to have a think about this as we go through the slides, and then at the end you're going to have a go at creating your own. So your map design. Choose your theme. Now your theme could be playground. And then think of 6 pictures that go with your theme. Okay, so 6 pictures here that go with a playground. It's a swing, a seesaw, a slide, basketball, a sand pit and a football goal. So those are 6 items. Now you choose whatever you want to do when we get to that stage, but in this one we've got 6 items. And we're going to think about where to draw those pictures. Now we don't want 2 pictures next to each other. So we've got a blank map here, and then we're going to think about, right, well, where are we going to put them? So we've got 6 spaces here that are not next to each other. And then we draw the pictures on that mat in those spaces. So you can see now all 6 of my images for a playground are now on my mat. And then it's time to think about using your mat, and you're going to choose a start square and a direction that you're facing. Remember, that's really important, which way are we facing? And you're going to choose an end square. Where do we need to end up? And you're going to plan 2 route algorithms to get from the start position to the end position. And then you're going to program your robot to follow that route. Now remember, obviously we haven't got the robots for this. You're going to have to program it by drawing out the instructions and then using a picture of the Bbot to move it along your route, or you could use a toy. So you're going to need to draw your arrows like we did in previous lessons, where you draw the arrows out as an algorithm for you to follow. Okay. And once you've done that, why not add in some obstacles? Why not think about some obstacles for your robot to go around to avoid certain squares? But don't forget that your robot does need to get out, so don't block it in. And have a think about placing those 3 on your mat in different places. So here I've placed 3 on, but I can still get around, I can still visit all my pictures there. So do think about adding in those obstacles. So those are squares we can't go on. And now test it. So you are going to create a map. You're going to create your own mat. You're going to think of a theme, and you're going to draw 6 items on that mat. Okay, so very much like, so you could choose a jungle and have different animals from the jungle. You could have football players, you could have cars, you could have favourite toys, favourite food, anything you want to do. So think of 6 items and put them onto your mat and draw them on there. Okay, remember to think, where am I going to start from? Where do I need to end up? And you're going to add some obstacles, and then you're going to draw out your algorithm and use your little robot cutout to move along that mat and follow your algorithm. Okay, so if you get a chance, just mark on there on your worksheet where you put your obstacles, just for next time. But have fun creating your mat, adding in your theme, and then moving your robot around your mat following your own algorithm. Have fun, I'll see you next lesson.